Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Beat confectioner's sugar and margarine together using an electric mixer on low speed. Add 1/4 teaspoon water to increase creaminess if needed. Add vanilla extract. Increase speed to high and continue to mix until frosting is stiff.
Take our lead.
Most frostings contain powdered sugar, or icing sugar, and the most common way to thicken a runny frosting is by gradually mixing in a bit more powdered sugar to offset the liquid ingredients. Sprinkle in 1 to 2 tablespoons 15 to 30 milliliters of powdered sugar at a time, then stir it in and check the consistency.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
2 to 3 days. The small amount of milk is stabilized by the large amount of sugar and considered safe at room temperature for 2 to 3 days. Always refrigerate any cake with a frosting that contains eggs or egg whites, or one that has whipped cream frosting or any type of filling, be it whipped cream, custard, fruit or mousse.
Take our lead.
Add a little bit of extra fat as with the cream cheese method. Adding other types of fat to your original frosting will dilute the amount of sugar there is in it and will not taste as sweet. Try heavy cream. Adding cream will increase the amount of fat in the mixture and will give you a bigger batch.
Take our lead.
Instructions. Using a mixer, cream softened butter and vanilla until smooth. Add sugar gradually, allowing butter and sugar to cream together before adding more. If you want your frosting a little creamier, add a teaspoon of milk at a time and beat on high until you get the right texture.
Take our lead.
Instructions. Sift your powdered sugar if you want a smoother frosting. Add your sugar, heavy cream, extract and salt to a bowl and mix well until smooth. A standing mixer or hand mixer works best. Use as desired or store in the fridge. The consistency should be thick. Read notes below asterisk.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Marshmallow frosting. This is perhaps your best bet. It is still sugary, but it's lighter and it can still be piped. Cream cheese icing. Another classic frosting. Whipped cream with cream cheese. For a rich but lighter tasting topping, you can bulk up whipped cream with cream cheese to help it hold its form.
Take our lead.
You need a liquid to lighten your buttercream and get it to a workable consistency. A lot of recipes use milk or heavy cream, but hot water is my favorite addition. It seems to dissolve the sugar a little more, and to me, it yields a smoother texture. And it's all about the texture for buttercream.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Mix in 2 tablespoons of water for each pound of confectioner's sugar. Use the water as a substitute for milk. Or, instead of water, use orange juice, which also dissolves the sugar but adds some orange flavor to the frosting. Do not use orange juice if you want to make pure white frosting.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.